them go around.
Yeah, you're too high.
They're floating.
Yeah. Oh, we'll see.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
There you go.
East-west coming from the west.
There.
Okay. Let's see what the weather station says.
You got long sleeves anyway.
0.
Yeah, that's for my son. I don't like my
25%.
arms and head.
Yeah. I thought I put on
Oh,
and put it
10.
off.
Gear up. Limit disengaged. Time remaining 2 minutes. 0. 50%.
Whoops, that screwed up. Maybe we shouldn't be doing those today.
No.
Not yet,
Right
anyway.
over there.
50%.
Speed run.
50%.
A little low.
25%.
Low.
0. 50. 0.
Maybe.
50%.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting a little tail heavy.
Looks like a tail has takeoff was just a little tail head.
Landing flaps.
Glide path looks good. Airway's out yet.
Dropping. Good
Up a
slope.
little
Yeah,
low.
good slope.
25%. 0.
Now you're good. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Brake reverse roll.
Turns differently.
Don't do it. Cut. Cut. There you go. Now you got it.
Oof.
You shouldn't have goosed it, but. Oh, when I started with them, they didn't understand our business enough to actually have.
Gear up. Limit disengaged. 50%. 0. 50%. 50%. Landing flaps.
Then pull it up.
Good. Nice.
Now that one should have been slow enough. I don't need my braking.
Yeah, well, that's my life, the squeaky wheels. Vibration. There's nothing in there.
25%. Gear up. 50%. G-limit disengaged.
I got it.
50%. Out 50%.
Nope. I'd like to get them to where the pictures come out low.
50%. G-limit disengaged.
Video it, but I can't snap a picture. I can't with this camera.
1 minute.
Yeah.
25%. 50%. 0.
Yeah, I had a tailwind.
25%. 0.
Oh my God. Okay, that's it. I'm done.
Tailwind and a heavier battery. There you go. That's perfect.
Gear up. G-limit disengaged. Zero. 50%. Landing flaps. Reverse.
Huh? Runway 9. Runway what? 9. Oh, okay. That's the word. Get that jammy beauty.
25%.
That's a pretty plane.
25%. 0. 50%. Gear up. 50%. G-limit disengaged. Fifth altitude 0. 50%.
You just having fun with it, ain't you?
Altitude.
There you go.
Altitude. Time 25, 50%. G-limit disengaged.
I got it on 1,000 this time. Let's see how that goes.
1 minute. 0.
You're hugging the left corner, ain't you?
So, crosswind. Huh?
No reverse. You got the ATM. I'm going to try it.